Today, I'm standing here in front of you to introduce a class who is not just confident in speech, but powerful in words. A class who is going to discuss one of the most serious issues of our time, the current scenario of world war and global conflict. And today, we, with our strong opinion, sharp arguments, and fearless confidence, are ready to present our perspective on the topic that concerns every nation and every generation. So with great pride, I introduce my class 12 to present our debate. Girls are against the motion of the vote and boys are in the motion of the vote. So let's begin our debate as we are ready to speak, ready to inspire and ready to make our voice heard. Why you have started the war?
War is not a choice we embrace lightly, but it is a necessity when justice is denied.
But war also affects global system and economic slowdown, affecting even those countries which are not directly involved.
Yes, but the sacrifice of one generation secures freedom and safety of future generations.
Choosing war means you have failed to use our brain and our words to solve a conflict. It is a sign of weakness, not strength.
A nation that shows strength discourages enemies from attacking again.
But war is not giving us peace.
I want peace as a reply or act as he had, because every time peace is worthful to stop the war.
War in one country causes the prices of food, gas and electricity to go up for everyone else.
Why are you against the war? You cannot see how they are underestimating their rivals overtaking.
The USA believes that Iran's nuclear program could lead to nuclear weapons, posing a global threat.
If war really solved the problems, then the world would be peaceful by now. But history proves it only creates new enemies, pain and endless cycle of violence.
But countries engage in war to secure their resources and territory.
War usually creates deep hatred and desire for revenge, which often leads to another war a few years later.
Can you imagine if we stop the war by our side, the rest of the country will be able to attack on us thinking by our politeness.
But war doesn't decide who is right, it only decides who is left.
When schools are destroyed or turned into shelter, children lose their chance at a future, creating a lost generation.
Survivors of wars are frequently suffered from long-term mental health issues.
People who survive the war, they frequently suffer stress and long-term mental health issues.
This conflict between Iran, Israel and USA shows that war only brings loss, no solutions. No matter who screams stronger, the real damage was only faced the innocent life and the future of our world. As the saying goes, an eye for an eye make the whole world blind. By this, I am concluding this debate. Hope you all understand. Thank you everyone and thank you Meenu ma'am for preparing us for this debate.